Hello everyone. So, how are you going to add an image to the header of your Wix website? Okay, so at the left side of the editor, just search for this icon, for the media icon. So just click it and let's add photos. So if you are going to search for your photos, just click this button and you can upload from your computer. Okay, so just locate the photo that you are going to upload. For example, this one, you can double click it and it will automatically be uploaded. Okay, so in my case, it's already uploaded. So I'm just going to click it and then click add to page button. Okay, so it is already uploaded. So how are you going to add it to the header? So you just drag it and wait until the attach to header message come out. Okay, just like that. So and you can drop it. Okay, so it's now attached to the header. So if you find this video helpful, please click like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.